Hi guys, today we will try to import leads from a LinkedIn search, classic LinkedIn search. So for instance, if you are looking for a CEO in LinkedIn, but you don't have LinkedIn Sales Nav, you can use this feature to find people you want using regular LinkedIn. So first of all, you will try to do your search. So for example, let's say CEO in United States, doing Harvard Business School, for example, and you just have to do this search. Then you go to Derrick. If you don't have Derrick, just go to Google Marketplace. So you can go to Google Workspace Marketplace, okay, and then download Derrick. Then you will see this. You just have to install by clicking this button, and then you will be good to go. Then go back to your Google Sheet and go to Extension and LinkedIn Email Phone Finder in here. Open it. Okay. And now we will just try to get the import LinkedIn profile basics. Okay. And we will take this URL and just paste it here. Okay. When you finish to paste it, just import, and Derrick will create a new page with your leads. It's work exactly the same for import LinkedIn company. So you will just have to select companies, make your search, and then when you finish your search, just take the link and put it in Derrick. As you can see, if we go back to our lists, we grab the 10 first. So okay, it was United States, Jim Goddard. Okay, I am locked because I use it too much, but you will see that it's what you will get. So that's all. You just have here founder. We put United States, so we got United States, and all these people will have Harvard Business School. If we want to enrich now this list, you just have to go to enrich. So get LinkedIn profile detail. So because we just have headlines, and we will select the LinkedIn URL, and we will enrich this list with more data. So as you can see now, we have also first name, last name, but also location, headline, summary, job title, previous job title, education, and so on. Let's see. Wait 1 minute. Okay. As you can see here, we found the Harvard Business School, and here not, because it's probably not the last education. That's why it's not right here. But as you can see now, we see people enriched with last education, company LinkedIn URL, company name, and so on. And you can go even further by now doing get. Let's do okay. LinkedIn get LinkedIn company detail, and now we will just give the company LinkedIn. Yep, sorry. And now we will enrich the company LinkedIn URL with data of the company. Let's do a pause. Okay, as you can see, Derrick found a lot of information about the company, and that's all. Hope you will try this feature, and feel free to make some feedback, and see you soon. Bye.